In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent gradient in Canva seamlessly and effectively. To begin, let's head over to Canva's homepage. Log in with your account details. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but that's a pretty straightforward process that won't take long. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left menu panel where you'll notice a handy plus Create button. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, let's set the stage by creating a canvas for our project. We'll be working with a square canvas today, specifically one that's 1080 by 1080 pixels. This size is perfect for a variety of design purposes, like social media posts, that often require square dimensions. After you've entered those measurements, click on Create New Design. Moving forward, you'll want to upload the image you plan to work with. Return to the left side panel and click on the Uploads section. Here you can upload any image from your device by simply selecting it. The file will quickly upload, and once it's ready, you can drag and drop it directly onto your canvas. This step is as easy as it sounds. Now it's time to dive into adding that eye-catching gradient. Head again to the left side panel and choose Elements. Here you'll find a plethora of shapes and other graphical elements. We're interested in a simple square, so go ahead and select the square shape. Once it appears on your canvas, we'll need to adjust its size and position it strategically where you want your gradient effect to appear over the image. After getting the shape just right, click on the square to activate the floating toolbar. Find and click the color tool here. You're almost there. Browse down by hovering to the bottom section of the color picker until you find the gradient color options. Here you can select from several default gradient colors, which set a nice foundation for the design. Beneath the list of document colors, you have the option to add a new color. This option is great for customizing your gradient to match specific themes or branding colors. For a truly unique look, consider experimenting with different styles and color combinations. You can adjust the gradient's color sliders to find that perfect hue that speaks to your creative vision. Now, here's where the magic happens. Choose one of the gradient colors on the picker, and by adjusting its transparency setting to 0, you'll create that sought-after transparent effect. With the transparency adjusted nicely, take a moment to tweak the size of the gradient on your canvas. Adjust it to your liking so that it enhances rather than overpowers your design. And there you have it. You've just added a transparent gradient to your Canva project, breathing new life into your design. This technique is a game changer, adding depth and dimension to any project. Practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with colors and settings to find what works best for you. Enjoy creating captivating and visually stunning designs with transparent gradients.